Okay, today is the 17th of September 2018. Yeah, sorry for that really horrible catch. Very weird beginning. Oh wow! Oh wow! Wow, this is their new design. For those people who asked in the comments last week, they're like, oh, what is the design like? So this is that design here. And it's very confusing, obviously. They kind of X'd off. It was like from here, right? It turned to halfway through here, where it's like there's lines here and here, and then they just moved it down. And I was right. They shrinked it smaller, and they will fill in signs here and right there. At least it's slightly better, I think. And you can see I'm not a sadist. Anyway, ooh, that's some old CNA stuff, but if you just look on different channel, they have different text here. It's a black and white color scheme. They have a few graphics to tell you what you should do if you have digital TV, and then here tell you for more info visit the website and call the number. Over here will say, oh, from 1st January the television network Analogue TV will cease transmission. To continue watching its channel, you should either connect your TV for either by not digital radio. Oh, why do they make this? Just say connect your whatever kind of TV and just fit that. Why do you need to like bracket it up? It's a bit confusing. But anyway, yeah, at least they have some graphics to show you what to do. And again, in the last video where stage 4 happened, I didn't really show it very well because I didn't show all the channels. This is Surya here. Again, Analogue signed all the message in Malay. And yeah, because last time I literally forgotten to show all the network. I didn't show Surya or Vasantham. This is channel U here. Actually it's not channel U. This is I forgot what network was that, but it's in English. And I think that was I don't know what channel was that. Channel 8. I don't think it's channel 8. I think what network was this? I forgot because I think it's channel U for 1 second, but I don't know why they placed it in English instead of Chinese. Oh, there we go. So yeah, apparently they do switch languages once in a while. They'll first put it in English and in Chinese, or the language that they air it, and they'll reloop it again and again. So September 17th for you guys. Again, it's all in Tamil, and then it'll switch to English and stuff like that. And so here's Octo, but I'll just put it halfway so you can see. Same message, same stuff at the bottom. And then we have Channel News Asia here, same thing, all in English. And again, like this, the original stage 3 video, the message doesn't show up on TV1 or any StarHub networks. And yeah, so oh my gosh, so yeah, thanks for watching this really another part of this digital TV adventure. And yeah, I will actually, before I end this video, I actually have even more digital TV analog TV footage that I actually want to post. So if you really want to actually see this content, vote in the iCard right now on the right of the screen, so that you can vote whether you really want to see this analog era footage, so that I can actually record more without commentary, and then just post it up on the second channel. And it's probably from different time because I have a few already uploaded. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.